EXO, Advanced Water Quality Monitoring Platform. EXO is a state-of-the-art water monitoring platform designed to address the many challenges of collecting accurate field data in the natural environment. YSI has committed more than 60 years of scientific testing and development to create EXO. Our passion for producing the most advanced and reliable monitoring equipment is how we break the sound barrier. EXO's innovative features include universal wet mate sensor ports, expansive and high-performance sensor suite, extremely ruggedized design. Also, here are features you will find only from YSI. Smart QC assisted calibration, integral wireless communication, affordable, replaceable pH ORP sensor heads, combined chlorophyll and blue-green algae probe, and wet mate connectors throughout. Stay tuned as we look inside the EXO platform, the sound, the sensors, and the software that will allow you to collect the high-resolution environmental data you need to manage any aquatic environment.
I'm Rob Ellison, and I'm excited to introduce you to YSI's new EXO platform. EXO was designed to be extremely versatile, allowing you to configure a sonde for different applications in minutes. The key to this versatility is the smart sensors and smart ports. Each smart port is identical and accepts any EXO sensor, so sensor payloads are up to you. Also, each smart port uses a power monitoring system that continuously monitors power draw and will shut down a port automatically if a problem is detected, thus protecting the rest of the system. The sondes are the controllers for the sensors and supply power and data logging functions. The EXO 1 sonde has 4 sensor ports and is only 1.85 inches in diameter and 25 inches in length. The EXO 2 has 6 sensor ports, an anti-fouling wiper port, and an auxiliary port to daisy-chain additional sondes or to integrate third-party sensors. The EXO 2 has a 3-inch diameter and is 28 inches in length. Efficient power management. The sonde's low power consumption and advanced power management allow you to keep it continuously deployed for approximately 120 days at a 15-minute sampling interval on a single set of batteries. Durable construction. The EXO 1 sonde body has a seamless stainless steel inner housing that is overmolded with an extremely durable xenoid plastic and titanium sensors. The EXO 2 has a unique ergonomically shaped outer body with an internally reinforced composite framework. Wet mateable connectors. A unique hermaphroditic design prevents misalignment during installation of the sensors and is insensitive to moisture. Plus handy Bluetooth communication and a range of anti-fouling components, such as wipers and sensor coatings.
Sondes come standard with visual indicators to quickly determine if the sonde is on and in logging mode, has an internal fault, or off. You can do this without having to connect a sonde to a PC or handheld. Indicators also provide status of the Bluetooth communications, and a magnetic switch allows the users to turn on the sonde and activate Bluetooth without a cable interface. YSI knows the importance of field reliability. Nothing is worse than getting stuck in the field with a system failure, or retrieving your instrument only to realize that there's a gap in the data. Our engineers have packed more than 15 years of sonde market knowledge into the design of the most durable and reliable platform possible. Features include power protection on all sensor ports, an internal leak sensor, double O-ring seals, a battery pressure relief valve, and automated system diagnostics, all to keep the sonde working reliably when underwater and subjected to pressure and harsh conditions.
Now let's look at the sensors. They are smart sensors, meaning each sensor has onboard memory to store calibration and metadata. The onboard data includes the date of manufacture, unique identifiers, and characterization data from a variety of tests conducted at our facility that test performance over a full range of environmental extremes. Its smarts also allow the sonde to automatically recognize the sensors. Sensors are made of strong and corrosion-free titanium that are welded shut and pressure tested to a bulletproof leak-tight design. In addition to these features, the sensors and the sensor ports are universal, meaning any sensor can conveniently be plugged into any port on the EXO sonde. Different companies spec sensors in different ways, Currently, there is no industry standard. With YSI's focus on building monitoring systems for the natural environment, our sensor specifications are based on the entire range of environmental extremes that a system could encounter in nature. This is an important factor to understand when reviewing specifications, especially accuracy.
The EXO sensors are temperature. The temperature sensor features an accuracy of 0.01 degrees Celsius and a response time which allows the entire sensor suite to operate even faster and provide higher quality data. Conductivity. YSI's conductivity sensor features a double-barrel design housed in impervious titanium casings. The internal flow cell design has been improved to exhaust bubbles which could interfere with sensor readings. Depth. In addition to shallow, medium, and vented measurements, you can now take measurements deeper than before with a deep transducer. Regardless of your depth sensor choice, take comfort in knowing all probes are designed to survive depths of 250 meters. Dissolved oxygen. The EXO optical dissolved oxygen sensor improves on several levels. Response time is faster, and depth rating is greater. PHORP. We've introduced a modular design to the PHORP probe. Once a probe's electrolytes become exhausted over time, you can simply replace the probe's tip, saving time and money. Not only will this represent a decrease in operating cost, but the PHORP probe is now more accurate and responds faster than previous versions, and works well in conditions such as cold and low ionic strength waters. Turbidity. The EXO Turbidity probe has increased range of 0 to 4,000 FNUs, as well as improved response time and depth rating. Total algae. New to YSI. The total algae sensor combines our chlorophyll and blue-green algae sensors into one that will provide a more accurate estimation of algae biomass. Response time, detection limits, and depth rating have all been improved as well. FDOM. New to YSI. The FDOM sensor, fluorescent dissolved organic matter, provides the fastest and easiest means of tracking dissolved organic matter concentrations in natural waters. The technology is equivalent to CDOM sensors, but uses a more accurate naming convention. Finally, these sensors are protected from biological fouling by our copper alloy protection system and a centralized wiper on the EXO-2. The wiper sweeps over the sensors to keep them clean and extend your deployments. It even has a parking garage to keep the wiper clean and tidy.
We listened to your feedback on how to improve Asan's interface software, and we responded with an entirely new software platform, Core. A free copy of Core is included with the purchase of every sonde. Whether it is configuring a sonde for a long-term deployment, calibrating sensors, or archiving and analyzing large data files, Core will allow you to get the job done quickly and effectively, and minimizes the chances for setup error. The EXO handheld provides an extremely durable, portable interface to the EXO sondes. The handheld uses a fast Windows operating system and a mobile version of the Core software. This handheld was designed for the field. It's IP67 rated and easy to use in freezing temperatures with a pair of gloves. The full-color screen can also be viewed in full sunlight. Additional features of the EXO handheld include GPS, temperature-compensated barometer, 2 gigabytes of memory, backlit alphanumeric keypad, microphone, speaker, and Bluetooth communication, all standard. The EXO product line is now available, including 2 sonde models, 8 sensors, the handheld display, and Core software.
The EXO. Contact your sales rep now.